Hey y'all, this your girl Miss Mo, and welcome to Lipstick Chronicles. What's up? So this YouTube channel is just all about lipstick and lip care because that is my shit. I am a low maintenance chick. Kind of basically like a tomboy. Maybe start to get more into my looks my senior year in high school. Maybe, I don't know. You can look at some pictures on Facebook and you can tell me, but yeah, but I think when I started working in the restaurant industry and my look, my face became the center of attention because I would host and you'll be the first face that people see. And so, like, I just started to fall in love with lipstick. And maybe it's because that's the only thing I could do in regards to makeup. But, like, my first obsession with makeup in general was with eyebrow care. Like, my eyebrows, they look like normal eyebrows, and I like that. But I had a phase where I would just, make them really, really tiny or like really thick and bold. And I had to realize, girl, stop playing with your eyebrows and just let them do their thing, but keep them neat as much as possible. That's what I do. And my lipstick, like I said, working in the restaurant industry, wanted to look, a little bit put together, but not like I'm trying too hard and I don't know how to do makeup. So lipstick was the way to go and I love it. My lips are nice and juicy. But because I got big lips, I always stay with chapstick. So lip care is very important to me. And lipstick is my growing passion. So here we are. So what this channel is all about is me putting together different lipsticks, colors, and just using my face as a beautiful palette to express my lip art. Oh, that would be cool if I could do lip art. We'll see. So anyway, thank you and welcome to Lipstick Chronicles. Yes.